Good morning, YouTube. Here's another breakfast cereal review. Today is Good Mornings cereal. Yeah, I know that's a pretty wacko name, but it's a waffle crunch. And as you can see the picture of the waffle and the syrup, so hopefully it's pretty good. It reminds me a little of honeycomb. So let's see if I can get the box open without tearing it up too bad. This is a really huge box too. It says 20 bowls.
Why are you opening it all the way?
What the hell is? Look at this. I thought they were going to be bigger.
It's not a syrup.
Smell and taste good. I'm going to try a little. A little bit of the...
Somebody shake the milk, but not the juice.
I'm talking on my video. Excuse my camera person. Alright, let's try this out. That's really good. I can taste the syrup, and it's got that nice waffle flavor to it, waffle taste. I'm digging this a lot. You should go out and pick this up. It didn't cost, what did this cost? Well, I'm not sure. But it wasn't expensive. It was like a cheap box or something. I don't know. But scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 9. It's pretty good. I would give it 10 by wanting them to be bigger in size, but the flavor is really, really good. So I would buy this again. So thanks for watching. Check me out on Instagram and rate, comment, and subscribe.